At times, you would like to change the color of your shoes from brown or white or any color to black, or sometimes your shoes color will fade and you want to make the color bright. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step and guide and how you are going to do this by yourself. Yes, so the materials you are going to use are: 1. Nkrumah's dye. If you want to get this kind of dye, their number is there. Just pick it and call them and you get one of these dyes. And another material is what you call the black polish, the solid one. Yeah, the one that is called lute. You need black one, and also you need a painting brush, a small painting brush like this, and also you need a shoe polishing brush, yes, something like this. And also you have to make sure that you have your gloves. Yes, the glove, because the Nkrumah's dye is somehow hard. Yes, it is so hard, so you need to get a gloves of which will prevent your arms from being attached with the color of the Nkrumah's dye, which is the black dye. Okay, so after all is set, then let's begin the process. First of all, you need to make sure that you clean the shoe so as to remove any dirt on the shoe. Yes, any dirt on the shoe. Yes, and once you are done with the cleaning, then you start the process. You start painting the shoe. That is, you use the painting brush and the dye so as to clean or paint or dye the shoe. You dye everywhere. As the way I'm doing it, you dye everywhere with the Nkrumah's dye, and doing this is going to help you. So once you are done with the first part of the cleaning of one shoe, then you just have to make sure that the color or the original color cannot be seen, so that the dyed color will be seen. Yes, you dye everywhere with the Nkrumah's dye. Okay, with the Nkrumah's dye. And once you are done with the dyeing, you make sure that you compare it. Then you can see that the brown color has changed to black. Okay, this is the first process and the first phase. Then you pick the other shoe and also paint it as the same way you did to the first one. Okay, so once you are done with the dye of both shoes, you make sure that you dry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, 2 to 3 minutes, so as to make sure that the dye is being dried. Okay, and once you are done with the dyeing of the shoe, the next step is that, before I go to the next process, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that any new update concerning doing something by your own self, you get it from here. And make sure you share this video, you like it, and also comment it on the comment section so as to see your views on this video. So once it has been dried, then the next thing you need to do is you pick the black polish. Okay, the black polish, the solid one, then you apply the whole black polish on the shoe, just using your hands. Don't use the brush. Okay, just using the hands. You rub the whole black polish on the shoes. Okay, like the way I'm doing it. You rub it. Take as much as quantity that you want to rub it, the whole surface on the shoes, both the left and the right part of the shoes. Okay, so when you are done with this, then this helps the shoes to get the rare black color. And also, doing this will make sure that anytime you apply a black polish on the shoe, it will never make the shoe fade. Yes, that's how we do it. And after doing this, then you have to dry the shoes for some minutes, and after that you use the brush, the shoe polish brush, to rub the whole surface of the two shoes to retain the black color. And from here you can see the color has been changed from brown to black. Okay, from brown to black. This is how we do. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like video, and also share this video for your friends to also benefit. Here is the talk tech. That is the talk of the tech.